Hi guys, and come with me on a full beauty day today at LASHGOD. Today I'm getting pretty much everything done and then doing a little photo shoot after. And I absolutely love LASHGOD because it is the only salon I know in Toronto that is pretty much the one-stop shop for everything you want to do. Hair, nails, lashes, tan, whatever you want. The first thing I'm doing today is getting my lashes done, and I am just obsessed with the Christmas decor. Like, this was so cute, and they're always offering a little snack as soon as you come in. Water, juice, lemon loaf. This is actually the best. I'm obsessed with their lemon loaf. Like, this is so good. Like I said, I'm getting my lashes done first. And my lashes were looking a real ratchet. Like, I don't know what's up in the inner corner, but this is the finished look of my lashes, and I'm so happy with it as always. And it was time to get my hair done. I actually had no idea what they were gonna do with my hair. I pretty much just let them do whatever. They ended up doing this super cute updo with the 2 strands in the front, and I thought this was actually really cute. And it was time to get my brows done. I actually already have my brows micro bladed, but they just did a cleanup and a tint, and I thought this was really cute. I don't usually do this, but I actually am going to come back and do this again. I'm way too comfortable at LASHGOD. Like, why am I laying down in the middle of the place? But anyway, time for more snacks and mimosas before I get my makeup done. Before that, I had to choose an outfit for the photo shoot. I had no idea what to choose for their new collection. There's so many colors, so many options. Thinking of this green, but I'll see when it's time. Then it was time to get my makeup done, and I already had makeup on low-key, so they mostly just freshened it up, but I looked so cute after an airbrush. I was obsessed. Ended up choosing the white set for the photo shoot. I thought this was really cute. I actually want to go buy it. And then this was the studio in their basement. Here's me looking a little awkward, but I promise the shoots look way better after. I promise you will see in a second. Then I had dinner, and I ended up going to Raptors game. This was super spontaneous. My cute little outfit on and everything done, so I was really happy with the results. I ended up leaving the day early because I really did not like the guy. He was really creepy, but I had a good day regardless, and I still looked cute. Bye!